Hi guys, here's 5 things you may want to print for the DJI Mini 2 SE. So the first one is a screwdriver extender handle. Second one's going to be a battery removal tool. Third one is going to be a next battery indicator on the charging hub. Fourth one's going to be dust cover, the USB port. And the fifth one is going to be a sunshade, using the screen out in the sun. So let's have a closer look at them. So here's the first one, the DJI Mini 2 screwdriver extender handle by Legend Pilot on Thingiverse. Second one, USB Mini 2 dust cover by Dorin DXN. Third one is the DJI Mini 2 battery extractor by Pricey Mock. Fourth one is a strong DJI Mini 2 remote sunshade by Jungle Blunt. And the fifth one is a DJI Mavic Mini and DJI Mini 2 Next Battery Indicator by Pete 2345. I've printed all these on a Prusa Mark III, and I've used Prusa Slicer to slice them, as you can see here. This was the longest one. It took 11 hours 5 minutes. So right, let's get going and see if they all work. First off, screwdriver extender handle. So this should just fit in there like that. Somehow, it's a bit tight. Oh, that's a perfect fit. It's a good time to actually test my screws on my DJI Mini 2 SE. Test the tightness. Yeah, that's tight. Yeah, they're all tight. Let's check the bottom. Yep, they're all tight. That's quite a good little tool. Means you can put more torque on it. That's good. The next one, which I like the idea of, is this next battery indicator. So that just slides on the battery hub like that, and it shows you the next battery. So you can cycle your batteries better. The third one, I think this is my favourite. I showed this before in a video, but if you try to take the battery out of the DJI Mini 2 and SE, it's just extremely tight. I can barely do it. I feel like I'm going to break the door. In fact, I can't do it now. So with this tool, you just locate it, squeeze it, and pull. It's simple. So yeah, that is my favourite. Next is a simple dust cover for the USB port. See how well that fits. Yep, that's a nice fit. That weighs virtually anything, so I think, to be honest, I'll be flying with that all the time because I rarely use the port. And the last one is the sunshade. Let's see how well this works. Get the controller. Take the cable out. Push my phone in. Let's see how this goes on. Right, the antenna goes up the top. And you push that through there. And then it just clips on, I think. Let's get that cable out of the way. Let's see. Oh, that was a real good fit. Actually, is it clipped on the back? No. That's clipped on now. Plug her in. Turn her on. Open the app. That is pretty cool, isn't it? That's going to help with the sun. I think I'll use that on my next video, actually. Oh. Obviously, I can't. It's not sunny outside, so I'm not going to test it now. But if I could get a video up here, aircraft album. This one. You can see how well that would help the sun. It's massive, this thing. Look how big it is. That's pretty good. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content. I'll put links to all of them in the description for the 5 things. And yeah, see you later.